Wagwan, gentle people. Welcome back to Jamaica Wildlife. Welcome back to our next crazy adventure. Welcome back to our next crab video. Right now, guys, I just want to shout out to all of my new subscribers. I really want to tell them how much I appreciate you guys, how much I'm thankful. Watching my channel grow for the past couple of weeks and days and everything, guys. It's an overwhelming feeling, like it's hard to explain for no say I try so hard from so long and then finally the work a pay off, guys. So thank you so much, guys. And right now we're gonna just get one next crab video out for you guys and stuff like that. You don't know me, I'm a stepfather there. The on him phone. Me there same way. My son now gonna be able to come to the 1 year tonight because he's not really feeling well, so I'm saying no want to come tonight. And yeah, we just gonna go out there, guys, get some videos up. You know, just try a thing. Boil some crab. I'm gonna do one of the old school style still. So just stay tuned, guys. Alright, we're there. Catch you guys later. GoPro will be recording this, so I don't know how well it will work out, but let's try, cause the next camera lighting on it terrible. Alright? Catch you guys.
can get my hand on him back. It's supposed to be good. Fuck off, fuck off. Haha.
Alright guys, so right now I just reach back in and I don't know anything come down already. We have to just go and relax and now until in the morning. We pick up push power, we left off. So that's that, and we catch you now in the morning until we have to boil up the crab them. Whether in the morning or in the afternoon, anytime at all, we have to do the next part of the video, but definitely tomorrow still. So stay tuned for that guys, and until next time. Catch you tomorrow, alright? Wait, is who that? Is who that they can knock me down so early in the morning? How are you going? Yo, is who that?
No, sir, me do. That's my crab, I can link you from here, so you go up on the bush last night.
Hey, boy, time not too early, man. John Star. Alright, my fault. Yo, why pre-Jamaica? What going on, people all over the world, people up on the internet. Big up on yourself, my viewers and my subscribers. Next man in now. You don't know amount of people are link me already and for someone sitting and John, you know, say time for you just go deal with the crowd part and someone sitting. So watch you now. Stay tuned and watch you go on now. We're out here. Yeah.
Chinkla really make you afraid of it. They come dangerous, you know.
Guys, as you know, the regular season, them already we have some garlic, thyme, scallion, cock soup, salt, and pepper. Guys, just look at that. Can you imagine all that cock soup? Now, I know the crab them a cook. I go pick two apple out of my tree, climb up on the front part of my house and see it there. Yeah guys, so right now see my uncle buy one beer, come give me a you see a crab there and sitting, so a beer and crab. Why pray? Yeah man, see the gentle people. Yeah guys, so see it there? Yeah man, them done cooking now. After 30 to 40 minutes, cause one them cook good, cause them wanna we are boil them to eat them. See how they look there now. So we are dig right into it. But you can't eat crab, boy. You just a chop a crab in a shell and a pit out it. There's someone who want to come here and eat crab and they go and they hide. Saying I want to pan video. Turn on that someone. Yeah, guys, so see it there. Everybody, I eat. This man have she crab over here, so. Someone other pop off a whole like crab to them. Guys, you know, say crab them crumble on quick though. Yeah, man. I expect that now. Yo, you crab then sweet. Gotcha. I've some of my friends out here roadside see me I eat them crab. Yeah, man. Yo, uno can't eat crab and you not get no more crab feed. The moment I say chop a crab and they, why John?
So what this is?
Alright guys, so the video come down to an end. Just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you like this video. Always remember to drop your thoughts below. Let me know exactly what you're thinking about this video. Like, share, subscribe and comment. You don't know, Jamaica Wildlife is here. I'm gonna put some behind the scene clip right after this. So stay tuned to see that, alright? It's not a lot, but hope you guys enjoyed. Until next time guys, thank you so much for watching. I wonder who the icon cat. Yo!
You know, say some crab here, so you have done your door. And check it for some.
Wait, no?
Yeah, man.
Then, what it? Mirror. Shovel, give them a go ahead. Wait, is who that? May I hide it? Oh, what it?